Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with some tempered glass screen protectors from Zagg for iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So Zagg has a total of 5 screen protector models for the iPhone 13 series. We're going to be looking at 2 of them today, the Glass XTR and the Glass Elite VisionGuard. Like all of Zagg's iPhone 13 series screen protectors, these 2 models offer antimicrobial protection and are covered by Zagg's limited lifetime replacement warranty. They also both offer protection against the dangers of blue light, and both are very tough, but the Glass XTR takes things up a notch with D3O for enhanced impact and shatter protection. In being designed for gamers, the Glass XTR is optimized for touch sensitivity. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these 2 screen protectors on the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max and check out the results. Let's get started. So looking at the contents of the box, we got some really attractive packaging here, and I'm really pleased to see that it appears to be completely plastic free, definitely better for the environment. So opening this up, we have our installer. This is a little bit different this year. I'm really excited to see how that's going to work. We've obviously got the screen protector itself, and then we've got the envelope of additional installation tools. In here we've got a small microfiber cloth, a cleaning wipe, and a dust removal sticker. So prior to installing your screen protector, make sure you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible, and remove any cases or screen protectors that are already on your phone. Use the included cleaning wipe to clean your screen. Then dry it with a microfiber cloth. Finally, use the dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust. Next, take a look at the installation frame. This does have a top and a bottom to it. The top is marked top up here, so be sure to use this the right way around. Next, take a look at the screen protector itself. First off, note that we have this little tab that's marked 1. This is the one you're going to remove in order to expose the adhesive side of the screen protector. Be very careful, of course, not to touch the adhesive side of the screen protector with your fingers. You're going to need to hold onto the screen protector by using these little side tabs. Also notice that the side tabs have little holes in them. The little holes are going to go over these little knobs on the top and the bottom. So basically you're just going to flip this over once you've taken off tab 1. So the sticky side is exposed. You're going to put the little holes over the little knobs, and then once all that's in place, press down and this should magically adhere. Prior to doing this, of course, you might want to go over your screen one more time with a dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust that might have settled on your screen in the meantime. Note that there is, of course, a top and a bottom to the screen protector itself. Be sure to put the top on the top and the bottom on the bottom. Nice. Look at that adhesive go. I love Zagg screen protectors. Now all you need to do is remove this top layer, take your phone out of the installer, and you're all set. That was really satisfying. So looking at the results of the installation, I'm just extremely impressed here. We have a super thin screen protector, excellent alignment, absolutely perfect, same amount of screen protector on either side. A lot of installers have a little bit of a room for error where they might get things a little bit misaligned. I think that with Zagg's new installer, you're not going to have that issue. Really like the new installer. Very easy to use and just gives you perfect results. I had 0 bubbles. You saw how well the installation went. Super fast, great adhesive. Everything is excellent. We've got nice rounded edges here. Extremely thin screen protector, and of course this has the D3O component to it, making it Zagg's toughest screen protector ever. Should provide excellent protection for your phone. Moving on to the Glass Elite VisionGuard screen protector, we're going to be putting this one on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So this one has the same eye-safe protection against blue light as you're going to find in the Glass XTR. It's also antimicrobial, and it's a very strong screen protector, but it doesn't include the D3O that you're going to have in the Glass XTR. It also may have a different feel to it. The Glass XTR has a special nano coating, whereas this one does not say that it has that. This one says it has ClearPrint against fingerprints, but no nano coating. So our packaging appears to be identical. Looking inside, we got the same cool installer, just a little bit bigger because this is for the iPhone 13 Pro Max as opposed to the iPhone 13 Pro. We've got the Glass Elite VisionGuard screen protector itself. And we have a completely identical set of install tools, a microfiber cloth, a dust removal sticker, and a cleaning wipe. So obviously, just like with the previous installation, you need to make an effort to work in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible, and make sure you get your phone's screen as clean as you possibly can using the cleaning wipe, the microfiber cloth, and the dust removal sticker. Once your phone is beautiful and clean, you need to put it in the installation frame. Do pay attention to the fact that there is a top and a bottom with this installation frame. The top is marked top. Installation here is exactly the same as on the Glass XTR. You're going to remove tab 1 in order to expose the sticky side of the screen protector, flip it over and put the little holes over the little knobs, and then press down to install. Once you finish attaching the screen protector onto the installer by putting the holes over the knobs, just press in the middle and let things adhere. Awesome. Once everything has adhered sufficiently, all you need to do is pull off the top plastic sheet. And then take out your phone. Looking at the results of the installation, everything looks fantastic. As you saw, that was a really easy installation, no bubbles, fantastic adhesive. We have a perfect alignment here, same amount of screen protector on each side. Everything looks fantastic. Got lovely rounded edges on here. Everything feels very smooth and looks great. This is definitely case compatible. You have space around the sides here for a case. This may not work with absolutely every case out there, but I think it's going to work with most. We have a cutout here for the notch. That's the difference between this and the Glass XTR. The Glass XTR does not have a cutout. So this is made of a special aluminosilicate glass, which is 5 times stronger than your standard tempered glass. So it's going to be very protective, but it doesn't have the special D3O that you have in the Glass XTR. So the Glass XTR is still going to be a tougher screen protector than this one, but I think that the Glass Elite VisionGuard is probably going to be sufficiently tough for most people. Both of them have the same ability to block blue light, and they are both antimicrobial. Just really nice screen protectors here from Zagg. So if you look at these two side by side, you can see the differences in fit. The Glass XTR is almost completely edge to edge. There's a little bit of space around the edges, but not much, whereas your VisionGuard does have some space there, so it's going to be a bit more case compatible. I think that there's going to be some cases that are not going to fit with the Glass XTR, which will fit with the VisionGuard. As far as thickness, I guess these guys are about the same. Sometimes I think that the Glass XTR is just a little bit thinner, but I can't tell. I've been looking at them side by side and I'm really not sure. But the Glass XTR does have a little bit smoother feel to it, maybe because it comes almost to the edge. So when you sort of swipe up with your fingers, it feels less noticeable. Whereas with your Glass Elite VisionGuard, you do feel like you're hitting a little bit more of a screen protector on the sides there than with the Glass XTR. As far as look and feel is concerned, both of these screen protectors are outstanding with fantastic optical clarity, slippery smooth screens, and very responsive haptic touch. And they're both going to block toxic blue light, so that's bound to be better for your eyes. As far as fingerprints are concerned, both of these perform well. Zagg uses something called ClearPrint against fingerprints, which is supposed to make fingerprints invisible when your screen is lit up. I've never been a huge fan of ClearPrint in the past, but I have to say with these two screen protectors, it seems to work really well. Overall, no complaints there. One area where I do think that the Glass XTR has the edge over the VisionGuard Plus is in the screen feel. It's just slightly slipperier. It's supposed to have some sort of special nano coating, and it feels just a little bit nicer and slipperier than the Glass Elite VisionGuard. However, if I wasn't looking at the two side by side, I would never find anything to complain about for the Glass Elite VisionGuard. The Glass Elite VisionGuard is extremely good. The Glass XTR is just a tiny bit better. And of course, if you're looking for edge-to-edge coverage, you do have a little bit more coverage with the Glass XTR. You also have that covered notch, which some people like. But if you're looking for something more case compatible, then your Glass Elite VisionGuard may be the way to go. Looking at the fit of these screen protectors with a few cases, starting off with the Gear for Milan snap cases. So I thought it would be interesting to put these in the same model of case so you could see the differences in fit between the two screen protectors. So here with our Glass Elite VisionGuard on the 13 Pro Max, here with the Milan snap case, you can see that we have space here on the sides and space on the top and bottom. Got a great fit with this case. Nice, super slim protective case from Zagg. Well, Zagg owns Gear 4. It's actually technically Gear 4, but it's really basically Zagg. And then when you compare the same Milan snap case with the Glass XTR and the 13 Pro, you can see we have quite a bit less space here between the edges of the screen protector and the edges of the case. Absolutely excellent fit here, by the way. If you're the kind of person that likes an almost all the way to the edge fit, but not quite, then this is a really good fit for you. So I'm going to check out a few more cases here with the Glass XTR just to show you the fit. No real reason to do that with the Glass Elite VisionGuard. It's clearly case compatible, whereas the Glass XTR is possibly going to be a little trickier. So here we have the CASETiFY Ultra Impact case. Beautiful case, one of my favorites. So looking at the fit here, you can see almost all the way to the edge, but not quite. Really lovely fit. Mous Limitless 4.0 in the Aramid fiber version. I think we got a really good fit here. Again, not much space here on the edges, but should do a great job in protecting your screen. Very nice fit here with the Limitless 4.0. RhinoShield SolidSuit in the carbon fiber finish. Again, we're looking at a great fit here on the SolidSuit. Tons of protection for your screen. And then finally, the Speck Presidio grip. Fantastic fit with the Presidio grip. So all in all, I think both of these are going to be excellent choices if you're looking for a high quality screen protector for your iPhone 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max. They're both going to be a lot stronger than your typical tempered glass screen protector. They provide antimicrobial protection, and they protect your eyes from dangerous blue light. They're also exceptionally easy to install due to their innovative installer system, and your results are going to be essentially perfect as long as you manage to get your phone's screen sufficiently clean. Between the two, I do think that the Glass XTR is just a little bit better. Its D3O component makes it even stronger than the Glass Elite VisionGuard, and its special nano coating makes it deliciously slippery to touch. I also prefer the greater coverage of its almost edge-to-edge fit, and of course, both of these screen protectors are going to be covered under Zagg's limited lifetime replacement warranty, so Zagg's going to replace them if they become damaged, although a small shipping and handling fee may apply. Again, we've been looking at the Glass XTR and Glass Elite VisionGuard screen protectors for iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. These products are available directly from Zagg and are priced at $49.99 for the Glass Elite VisionGuard and $59.99 for the Glass XTR. Many thanks to the kind folks at Zagg for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and you might want to hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot of iPhone 13 series accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.